Gianna, what are you doing? Hi. Are you on your tummy? You're supposed to be lifting your head. You're being lazy. You're being lazy. Huh, you tired? It's bath day. Your hair's all greasy. Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Can you give me a smile? Can you give me a smile? Huh? Hi there. Hey, big girl. Yeah, you're being lazy, huh? Being lazy.